In this video, I will show you how to change chat background on WeChat. Firstly, launch application, then go into your settings side on your account. As you get right there, you're gonna find out all these silent selections. Go for general, and as you get on that pointless side, you're gonna find out all these side selections, as you can see. And right here, the main point, it is simply by going to your side selections to get your chat settings. As you can see, if you go for manage discover or photos, sites and all that stuff, for example text size, as you can see here, it doesn't show you that mainline selection for taking the background. This is why you're gonna get back and go for chats, and then from here you're gonna go background on the third selection, and you're gonna simply go choose a wallpaper, choose a photo, take a photo. You can apply something which is from your input of your phone, and after you get done, simply you're gonna take off to the main point.